Imagine a world without color. No morning coffee, no chocolate, no life. This is not science fiction. It's what happens if we lose a creature smaller than your thumbnail. Think of your favorite food. Now, realize that without this tiny engineer, it simply wouldn't exist. Today, we are looking past the sting to uncover a biological masterpiece that bridges the gap between ancient prophecy and cutting-edge science. Bees are the world's greatest accidental mathematicians. They build their homes using hexagons. Why? Because it's the only shape in nature that leaves zero wasted space while holding the maximum weight. But it gets crazier. They use a solar GPS called the Waggle dance to communicate coordinates across miles. They are not just bugs, they are a living, buzzing supercomputer. 1,400 years ago, long before microscopes, the Quran described honey as a healing for men. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, held this golden liquid in the highest regard, calling it a remedy for every illness. He famously advised a man to treat his brother's stomach pain with honey. When it didn't work, immediately the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Allah has told the truth, but your brother's abdomen has told a lie. On the fourth dose, he was cured. It was a sign. Honey is a cure for all but death. For centuries, this was seen as folklore. But now, science is catching up in a world where our strongest antibiotics are failing. Doctors are turning back to medical-grade honey. Its low pH and natural hydrogen peroxide create a dead zone for bacteria. It heals third-degree burns and even kills superbugs like MRSA that modern medicine can't touch. The Prophet's remedy wasn't just tradition, it was a blueprint. But this miracle is fragile. Bees provide $200 billion in free labor to our world, yet they are disappearing. If the bees stop dancing, our food chain breaks, our medicine cabinet empties. This journey changed how I look at the world, and I hope it did for you too. If you believe we need to protect this miracle, hit that subscribe button so we can keep uncovering this hidden science together. I will see you in the next one.